Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'm Bill Panoff and you landed on Cruise Control. For the latest in cruise and travel news, you can follow us here or on any social media platform for the latest news about what's hot in cruising and travel. People have asked me how often do I like to travel. Well, I like to travel 24/7. Anytime I can get out there, I will. And it doesn't have to be a long trip. It could be a trip for like an hour from here. If I'm immersed in a different culture, a different environment, to meet different people, that's what stirs my soul. Travel is all about experiences, and they can be at your home, they can be away, they could be anywhere, as long as you are in an environment that you're not familiar with and you're meeting new people. That's what I love about travel. Most recently, I went all the way to Antarctica on a cruise with Atlas Ocean Voyages, and I traveled 12 hours on a flight. And when you travel so far, it's really hard to stay in touch with everyone because you're so cut off from everything. So travel tech is super important to me. You know, you have your iPad, your iPhone, and of course, headphones are really important. I have these Bose headphones that I've traveled with for many, many years. These are the Quiet Comfort headphones, and they are absolutely spectacular. You put those on and all the noise goes away. I can't even hear myself talking right now, but those are made by Bose. That's a great tool when you're traveling any distances or even on a short trip. And for the latest in cruise news, you should visit porthole.com. Porthole.com is the go-to place for cruise and travel news. We update the content almost daily. You can see videos about the ships, reviews about the ships, reviews about travel, reviews about destinations, hotels. It's all there. Cruise news at porthole.com. And also don't forget to subscribe to Porthole Cruise and Travel Magazine. That's really, really important. What about packing? What about luggage? Well, my favorite luggage company right now is Travel Pro. I love the quality of their luggage. I love the various dimensions of their luggage. And it's a really go-to source for me. Travel Pro is also the company that makes the luggage for many of the airline stewardesses and pilots they use when they travel to and from their flights. So it's really heavy duty and the quality is just phenomenal. What do I recommend for travelers? Well, just make sure you have all the tools with you when you travel. Obviously, your passport is important. If your passport is expiring, there's a company called rushmypassport.com, which is amazing. You can send them the details for your expiration, and in less than a week or two, you'll have your new passport even sooner. Rushmypassport.com. It's a really great tool when you travel to make sure you have your passport up to date in many of the countries that require it. In terms of luggage, I like to pack very light. I usually carry one piece of luggage with me when I carry on. Even for a cruise, when I travel with family, obviously, we're taking a lot more luggage. So luggage is super, super important. The less I can take with me, the better for me. Travel insurance, yes, you definitely want travel insurance when you're traveling on a cruise or on any trip, because the trip could be canceled for some reason beyond your control. So definitely buy your travel insurance before you travel. And don't forget, when you're looking for cruise news, Cruise Control. This is the place to be. Check us out, and you will see the latest news about what's happening in cruise and travel. I'm Bill Panoff, and thanks for tuning in.